I have always wondered if AliExpress was a scam. I see the prices and they look too good to be true for a lot of items, and I decided to finally bite the bullet and see not only if the products arrived, but what quality of products would I get. I know a lot of people obviously buy from AliExpress, but I wanted to see it for myself. So I bought 4 items, but actually I bought 4 items. I meant to buy 3, but I made a mistake on the first item. Anyways, not a big deal. Let's crack these babies open, see if A, I got what I ordered, and B, the quality of what I ordered is actually up to par to justify the price. Let's take a look at the first item up here. This was a pack of, well, it's one individual, but I bought one of each type because they were super cheap. And I'm gonna open up this one just before it hits the camera, just because, well, it has my address all over it. So let's crack this baby open. Here we go into the frame. Let's take this out. I should have 3 here, 1 of each color. These, if you haven't guessed already, are laser pointers. They come in blue, or not blue, green, red, and purple, I believe are the colors I purchased. And at first, the quality feels cheaper than all hell. That's not good. The quality feels very, very cheap. I don't know what I was expecting. I think with a body like this, I was just expecting more. Like a more weight to it. But you might be asking, why did I buy this? I bought this because when I was doing my MBA, my profs would be at the front of the amphitheater just talking, and I wouldn't be able to see what they were doing. So I like to keep stuff at all times, just in case, like whiteboard markers, all that. And I figured, well, always keeping a laser pointer on hand would be a good idea. And then keeping one of each color would be a better idea. Well, let me go get some AA batteries here and see what these ones look like. I am back. Here are the batteries. I think these are AA. Size looked proper. And I think it takes 4. These are AAA. I'm fat and stupid. I'll be right back. Okay. 4 AAAs. Now let's try it. Okay, it's only 2. That's good. That's already a W. What the hell was that? This bitch just shot out the top. Like, what in the hell just happened? Oh, do I have these backwards? Do they go this way? They might go this way. Okay, now try this. Man, these things are cheap. Okay, how about this? Does this work? Oh, it does. Look at that. Okay, so the batteries go with the nipple side up. This is the purple one here. Not sure how well it's coming up on camera. Let's take this out. And here we go. Fire. This is the red. That's nice and vibrant, actually. I really like that. And here we go, firing. Oh, the green looks good. I like the green. On to the next thing. Yeah, there we go. Item number 2. Okay, these are, even I'm not too entirely sure. This was the mistake item. Oh, okay. So these are RFID tags and RFID cards that you can write to, or supposedly write to. So they're not read-only. And use these for like automation, for access. This was $3 for the packet, for the whole kit. You get 5 cards, and I guess you get how many? 5 tags? 5 cards, 5 tags. These are cool if you have like door locks at your house, or, you know, even a corporate setting that you can just fob into. These are pretty great. But ultimately, you can't use them unless you have a writer. So when I say this was the mistake item, I'm sure you know where we're gonna go with this. But what do you guys want to do next? Do you guys want to do the big box or the small box? So let's leave it in the comments down below, and I will do it at the end of this video. Okay, we're gonna do the small box. Oh, look at that. Well, look at that. It is my card writer. This was what I originally thought I purchased. So inside the box, you get a USB A to C, which is cool. It's a USB-C. That's pretty awesome. Anything else? You get the instruction manual. That's actually going to be very handy. And then you get a USB-C to A adapter. I not too entirely sure. I'm sure the instructions say something about it. Oh, the instructions are 1 page long. Never mind. But yeah, this is how you write to these cards. And of course you get glorious, the Great China language, but you get English underneath it, so freedom. Feels very cheap. Feels very, very light. Kind of feels like a toy, quite honestly. But I haven't used it yet. I won't be using it for quite some time, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, on to the last package. And we're back. Let's get the knife. Crack open this tape here. New car? Nope. It is, oh, magnets. Oh my God, I totally forgot. Yes, I bought an ass load of magnets. These are neodymium magnets, and I just bought a variety of sizes because they were dirt ass cheap. These are smaller than I thought. But you can see here we got 6 by 6 millimeters. We got 8 by 1.5, 50 pieces. I got 8 by 2 millimeters, 50 pieces. 6 by 1 millimeter. I got 200 pieces. And I got 8 by 1 millimeter, 50 pieces. These are thin. I truly don't know what I was expecting. The picture made it look so much bigger. Then again, though, that's also what my Tinder profile says. Okay, so we got a bunch of magnets. We got a card reader, cards to read, and I got 3 laser pointers. Well, that's the AliExpress haul that I got. Did I get scammed? No, I got everything I ordered. Does it feel as cheap as the price I paid for them? 100%, especially these. These feel super duper cheap, but the magnets are crazy cool, and if you're a maker, I can't recommend these type of things enough. And they're really, really cheap too. Like I said, some of these were only $2-3 bucks. They were very cheap, very affordable. But there you guys go. AliExpress. Not a scam, but also you get what you pay for. So, you know, take your gambles. Okay, thanks so much for tuning in, guys. If you guys like this video, hey, hit that sub button. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.